Hello, gorgeous, and welcome back. Yay! I was in the middle, actually, of starting to get ready for my birthday outing tonight. Today is my actual birthday, and I'm sitting here and I'm just starting to get floofy and whatnot, and doing primering. These are not staying. I don't know, that would be kind of fabulous to wear out, but I have a different tiara, so. But I heard the mail person drive up, and I got a couple of packages just in time for my birthday, and it's here, y'all. It is here. Look at this pretty purple box. And purple box. I'm very excited. I don't think I've ever gotten this fluttery over makeup before. I'm excited. This is the first time that I really got in on a regular launch. The whole mystery box thing notwithstanding, but it's a little insert card. Looking fierce. All right, so that's what the outer carton looks like. Shiny and blingy and pretty. Oh, wow. I mean, wow. I'm just about speechless. Which, for a YouTube channel, that's not a good thing. Pull it out of its little, there we go. So it comes with a little bumper cushion here, just to keep everything safe and secure. Toss that off to the side. Oh God, this is crushed velvet with this little metallic crown on it. And focus. And a little latch. Oh, there's my mirror. There's that little protective. Wow, that's a thick. I'll get it. That is super thick. Usually they're very, and of course there's the, thing over the mirror, but, oh, it's so pretty. Just the shimmers in here are just so stunning, and all right, let's throw that. All right, so I've left all sorts of blank spaces, so I'm going to go into the first row, which is Your Majesty, and take the crown. I am so pale, Your Majesty, just kind of, Oh, take the crown. Is so, oh my God. It is so light and pink and, All right, next row down is Deviant, Beauty Sleep, Wet Jewel, and Royal Pain. So we go Deviant, and Deviant is a very pale lavender. Let me get another swipe on there. Beauty Sleep. It's another pink shimmer. Ooh, and it reflects gold. And then here's one of the ones I've really been looking forward to, Wet Jewel. Focus. Look how she looks. My goodness. And then Royal Pain, which is this kind of terracotta shade. That's very nice. That's very nice. Wipe off some fingers here. All right. Then we have Dungeon, which looks like just a matte black. No. It is a very, 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 very deep purple. Scandal Water, which is it's a very powdery blue. Sworn Enemy. Clean finger. And this is it's like a greenish gold. Pink Magic, which it's kind of a pink and purple reflect. Oh my God. And I'm tickled pink that this has showed up on my birthday. So thank you, Jeffree, for the birthday present. And I bought it myself. Wow. Okay, that's Bleeding Heart. And then, man, I hope you guys can see these. And then Executioner, which is this deep black, but with purple and gold reflex. Let me put it up here. I'm going to bring you in close for that. Wow. All right. Let me do a wipe. And we'll do the last two rows. Okay. So I'm going to do the rest of them on the arm, because my chest is now all red. All right. High King is the next one. Look at that purple. And of course, I can't think of High King without thinking of the Magicians and High King Margot, because she slays. All right. I want to say this says Vivid Mood. It does. It says Vivid Mood. It's a nice pale purple. Monarchy, which is just this light tan. Here we go. Right next to her. And then Blood Queen, which is that super pretty purple. Focus in on me, please. Thank you. All right, the last two. Vile Serpent. Now I will say I'm not a fan of that color. I will probably great googly moogly. Focus. So it's that green. And then Betrayal is another shimmery. So these are just stunners. And I know once I end up using up the colors that I like, this is definitely going to go on display. This is just absolutely beautiful. I'm really, really glad that I got in on this one. A lot of people were kind of meh. They think it needed to be darker colors, and I'm not really going to argue with that sentiment. However, I purchased it because it wasn't deep, deep, dark purples, because I don't do a lot of purple. I do have the Lilac You a Lot palette, but that's more lilacs than it is like a deep purple. So I am very happy with the shade range and the color story going on in here. I'm actually going to do a look with this palette. I was going to use a different one today if this hadn't come in time, but since it did, I was hopeful. I'm going to give this a go, and I will film that look, and I will probably post that tomorrow. So stay tuned. I love you guys. I hope you have a great rest of your day. All my socials are down below. Mwah. Loves. Bye.